How to send GIF on Messenger. Hi! For today, we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to send a GIF on Messenger. So first is you have to make sure that your Messenger application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to the Play Store and type in Messenger. Here is the Messenger. Now, if you see an update button, you have to click on that and you have to wait for it to be updated. Now, if your application is updated, as you can see, we can now start on our tutorial. Now go back to home page and open your Messenger. Now in sending GIF, you have to find a contact or a chat that you want to send the GIF. Let's say I want to send a GIF to myself. So here you will see, below you will see these icon, the camera icon, the image, the mic or the record icon, and the chat. Here, you will see if you click on this emoji here, smiling emoji here, it will lead you here. Now you will see a sticker, and then the GIF. So here there are different GIF here. You could send this, or you could even type in the message, the GIF, the specific GIF that you want to send. For example, you want to see Obama, Obama GIF. You just have to send this, and basically that is it, and that's how you send GIF on Messenger. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find it useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.